Kennedy Ground, good morning. For the last time, Speedbird Concorde 2 IFR, London Heathrow with Mike requesting a Canarsie climb.
And Speedbird 2, I guess for the last time, we can give you that Canarsie climb. Speedbird 2 Heavy cleared to London Heathrow Airport. Kennedy 9 departure, Canarsie climb, radar vector ship. As filed, maintain 5,000, expect flight level 290, 10 minutes after. Squawk 1136, and Mike is the ATIS.
Here at Concorde 2, Mike 1136, thanks very much indeed. And if you could pass on to your colleagues two or three things. Firstly, in a perfect world, we'd like to be wheels rolling at 737 local. If we can get a clearance through 105 Alpha direct, that'd be great. But more importantly, if you pass on to all your colleagues here, all the support, and thanks for all the support and help you've given us over the years.
Speedbird 2, on behalf of the controllers in Kennedy Tower, in particular, we want to pass on to Captain Bannister. We hope you have a wonderful flight, and over the years it's been a privilege and an honor to get to work you all every day in and out of JFK, and you certainly will be missed. We hope you have a wonderful farewell flight, and Godspeed, and we will be wishing you all the best as you fly over to London.
That's very kind, and thanks to all of you. I wouldn't want to name any but one who I understand speaking with you right from the very first day we came, Samuel Cohen, so thanks to all of you.
Well, he will be talking to you when you be runway, and ground is point 9 when you're ready to taxi. Enjoy your flight.
Ground point 9, Steve, at Concorde 2.
They say 65.
Roger, any chance we can hold short of Juliet behind Speedbird?
Well, Speedbird, like I told the last guy, he's not departing for another 20 minutes, 25 minutes or so. If you want to wait, I could find some place to put you.
Oh, that's okay. Gotta be the on-time machine here.
Yeah, right. Speedbird 2, left turn Golf, right Zulu, hold short of Juliet.
Left Golf, right Zulu, hold short Juliet, Speedbird 2.
So long, Concorde, and have a good flight.
Thank you very much indeed. That's very kind of you.
We're going to miss you here at Kennedy.
We're going to miss coming to New York.
Best wishes from JetBlue.
Thank you.
And from the old Cactus Bird.
And Speedbird 2 ground, I've only been here 5 years, which is not nearly as long as the next guy you're going to talk to, but it's been a pleasure. Hold short of Juliet. He'll get you out right on that release time. You can monitor 119.1.
Speedbird Concorde 2, thanks very much. Ground 119.1, I guess we know who we're going to talk to, but everyone else here has been so helpful and supportive, and we're very grateful for that, and we'll miss you.
Good day, sir.
Kennedy Tower, Speedbird Concorde 2 Heavy is with you for the last time. Richard, that's great, thank you very much indeed. We'd like to release brakes at about 3.7 and 50 seconds.
Roger.
Kennedy Tower, American Eagle 830.
American Eagle 830, Kennedy Tower.
Yes, sir. And Speedbird 2's on the radio. We just wanted to pass along a best wishes and Godspeed, and we're going to miss you there. We're just departing LaGuardia. Wish we were over at Kennedy.
Okay, that's good to see you. Thanks for that. We're going to miss you all.
American 205, you'll follow the Concorde up at the next intersection. Speedbird 2, you can plan to follow the Express. Speedbird 2 Heavy, position and hold, caution wake turbines departing Airbus.
Speedbird Concorde 2 Heavy, position and hold 310.
Speedbird 2 Heavy, be advised, I happen to have the good luck of being here and issuing the first landing clearance to the Concorde here at JFK back in '77. Just want to say it's been wonderful working with your aircraft, and I wish good luck to all the crews, and we're going to miss you.
Well, we're very, very grateful indeed for all your help, especially over such a long period. It's been great knowing you, and we're going to miss you a lot.
Thank you. The time now is 3:05. Your discretion, you can roll to find your liftoff at 3:07. Wind 300 at 13. Maintain 4,000. Cleared for takeoff.
Speedbird Concorde 2, clear takeoff 31 left. We're clear to roll to make our departure time. We'll start the takeoff roll at 37 and 50 and maintain 4,000.
Ground American 699 Heavy.
Yes, sir.
Is there a chance we can hold here at Bravo or anywhere in this area if we're not blocking anybody?
American 699, Why don't you transition over to Alpha, and then you can hold on Alpha. And do you need any assistance?
Negative. Hey, ground, can we, American 59 Heavy, can we hold here for a second, troubleshoot something?
Yep.
Thanks. And ground United 3 Heavy, we're ready to go down.
United 3, taxi left Juliet, hold short of Zulu.
Left Juliet, hold short of Zulu, that's good.
Speedbird 2 Heavy, contact New York departure, so long.
Speedbird 2 to departure, good day, Samuel, so long. Put 2 Heavies with you for the last time.
Speedbird Concorde 2 Heavy, New York departure, good morning. Radar contact, climb and maintain 13,000.
Speedbird 2, climb, maintain 13,000. Speedbird 2, left 150.
Speedbird Concorde 2 Heavy, proceed direct to Lind, resume on navigation and climb and maintain 17,000.
Speedbird 2, direct Lind, nav, climb 17,000.
Speedbird Concorde 2, I was the first controller to give you the approach clearance and the first flight into Kennedy. So I'd like to thank you and all the crews that have worked the flight through the years for your professionalism. We'd like to wish you good luck as you soar towards the sunshine there to the east. And we just do appreciate all the fine professionalism and hard work that you guys put in through the years. And it was a pleasure for us to serve you.
Speedbird 2, we really appreciate. Thank you very much indeed. We couldn't have done any of this without the support of all of our friends and colleagues in the USA, particularly in ATC in the USA, who've been so helpful and supportive. We really do appreciate it.
Speedbird 2, thank you for those words, and contact New York Center 128.3. Cheerio.
128.3, Speedbird Concorde 2. Have a nice day.
Good evening, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird Concorde 1, hello.
Hello, I'm ready to go at 10:30.
Okay, thank you.
Delivery, good evening, Speedbird Concorde 1 on stand 421 and requesting departure point.
Good evening, Speedbird 1, Compton 5 Juliet departure, squawk 7651, standard track Sierra Mike, information Golf, QNH 1021 millibars.
For the Compton 5 Juliet 7651, the squawk track Sierra Mike. We have Golf and we have 1021. Thank you.
Thanks, Speedbird 1, start time on the hour, ready for start now?
I think it might be 3 or 4 minutes.
Understood, report ready for start, please.
Okay. Delivery, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird 1.
Hello, sir. Ready to start in about 2 minutes' time.
Thank you, Speedbird 1. As start when ready, stop time's now 18:10 and ground on 121.7 for push. Good night, for good trip.
Thank you, decimal 7 at 10 past as well. And thanks for all your help over the years.
More than welcome, good night.
Good night. Ground, good evening, Speedbird Concorde 1, pushback 8421.
Speedbird 1 on stand 421, your pushback is approved.
Pushback approved, Speedbird 1, thank you. Ground, hello, Speedbird Concorde 1, taxi in block 28.
Speedbird 1, stand by, I'll call you very shortly.
Sure.
Leader 2, ground.
Leader 2, go.
Leader 2, you happy for the Concorde to make his taxi now?
Ground, no, we'll need to come forward slightly.
Okay, alright, so how far do you want him forward? Just towards the end of the cul-de-sac?
Ground, power, with 420 be fine.
Okay, thank you very much. Break. Speedbird 1, Leader 2 is going to be marshalling you due to the people down there, and therefore your taxi is approved following the guidance of Leader 2.
Taxi 1, that's it, so double taxi forwards, and we'll hold on the guidance of Leader 2.
Leader 2, pass your message.
Leader 2, not a problem. If you just want to give me a call when you're happy for him to taxi in.
Ground, Leader 2's ready.
Leader 2, Roger. Break. Speedbird 1, following the marshaller's signals within the cul-de-sac, follow the green lights, 1.09 right.
Copy, thank you, Speedbird Concorde 1, follow the marshal signals and we're clear of taxi, thank you.
Speedbird 1.
Go ahead.
Speed 1, slot now 1815. Have a good trip and monitor tower 1185. Bye-bye.
Thanks much indeed for all your help.
It's been a pleasure to see you today. Speedbird Concorde 1, after departing company 747 in front of you, line up and wait 9 right. Speedbird 1, departure instructions. Speedbird 1, after departure, right turn out onto a radar heading of 220 degrees, maintain altitude 6,000 feet. That's correct. Speedbird 1, clear takeoff 9 right, wind is 010 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear takeoff 9 right, Speedbird Concorde 1.
And Speedbird Concorde 1, this is the Captain Agent Thompson. I'd like to thank you for all ATC, all the fans at the end of the runway on their airband radios, all some of the media that supported this airplane over the years. I'd like to dedicate this last 001 takeoff. But I can say that if this magnificent machine was alive, it would be crying supersonic tears.
Thanks for that, and we're all sorry up here as well.
3, 2, 1, now.
Speedbird 1, contact Heathrow 134.97, bye-bye.
13497, Speedbird Concorde 1, thanks a lot, and goodbye.
I'll speak to you tomorrow, bye.
Hello, Speedbird, departures hello, Speedbird Concorde 1, passing 4,000 feet for 6, heading 220.
Speedbird 1, Heathrow, squawk identity, no speed restriction.
Squawk identity, no speed, requesting further right 270 when available.
Speedbird 1, turn right heading 275 now, climb flight level 80.
Right heading 275, thank you, climb flight level 80, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird 1, contact London 134.12, bye-bye now.
13412, Speedbird Concorde 1, thanks, goodbye.